Okay, we got this water heater in here in the garage closet, and we are missing our escutcheon plate. It's called the thimble on our vent fan right there. We've got air supply and we've got air makeup. That's a good thing. Okay. Also, these vent pipes, the flues, they're supposed to be held together by themselves. They're not supposed to be taped like that. So they should be fastened with you could use a screw if you wanted to, if it's the right size. You can't use too large a one, but tape is generally considered not to be an acceptable method of sealing a flue pipe like that. Over here where the water supply lines come into the tank, I'm seeing copper nipples. Those are not dielectric unions, so dielectric unions were not installed. Temperature pressure relief valves, okay, they have a life. You can read the label right there. They're supposed to be replaced about every 3 years. I get it. Nobody does that. But there's, anyway, the manufacturer thinks that every 3 years would be a good thing to do. Now, just like these water supply lines were insulated, and that's a good thing. They insulated to the tank. Well, also the temperature pressure relief valve is supposed to be insulated. If you grab that valve, you feel how warm it is. That's the energy that you're buying that's escaping and you're not getting able to use. So we come down here. Now the temperature pressure relief drain we saw outside that was about 4 inches from the ground. That's good. They're supposed to be terminate about between 3 and 6 inches from the ground. But right here, that's a threaded union. A threaded union. Now it's supposed to have threaded fittings on a temperature pressure relief drain line. I know that nobody's going to unscrew that and cap it off, but there's a reason for it. Now, the safety pan, it comes out and it discharges directly onto the garage floor. It should have been carried to the exterior. It wasn't required when this home was built, and I understand that it would be probably difficult to make that arrangement happen, but that's the way it's supposed to be. So, that's just, it's either on or off. Over here, what we've got is a care and use manual. Good thing. We've got a sediment trap for a gas line. Good thing. Good. Okay, electronic ignition, which means I'm not going to be able to take a look at the burner plate. We're looking here. This was manufactured 4 years ago. It might have been installed yesterday. I don't know. This is installed 4 years. It was manufactured 2018. It's a 75-gallon water heater, and because of its age and because of its vintage, what I'm kind of looking for here is interesting to note is I do not see a green tag where a building permit was filed for installing this. So, and that's it. What did we learn? We learned that our safety pan drains onto the floor. We learned that we got a union on our TMP drain line. Our TMP drain line is not insulated. We learned that we do not have dielectric unions, and our flue is tape closed, and we do not have a thimble. And that's about it.